Hey friends, if you encounter the League of Legends fail to receive platform SIFT error on your Windows computer, then I'll help you with the resolutions. The first solution is to check for service outages on the Riot Games website. So the link is status.riotgames.com and you can check it for League of Legends. I'll share this URL in the description section of this video. All you need to do is check your region here. It is US in my case. Check the language and then check if there are any current messages about a downtime. The next solution is to restart your router and modem. Simply switch off your router, let it be switched off for 20 seconds, then switch it on and then check if it works. The third solution is to allow League of Legends to the Windows Defender firewall. So search for the word firewall in the Windows search bar and open the Windows Defender firewall option. In the Windows Defender firewall option, you can okay, I'll give you an easier way. Check for firewall. You find this option for firewall and network protection and open this one. Go to public network and you can either turn this off for a while to isolate the case, or you can click on allow an app through firewall and then select the League of Legends app through this and check it for public and private. The last solution is to change the DNS server settings on your Windows computer. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. In the run window, type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on your active network connection, select properties, double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Check this option, use the following DNS server address, make it 8.8.8.8 and the second one 8.8.4.4 and click on OK to save the settings. By now your game should definitely work, but if it doesn't work then please let us know in the comment section of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.